In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payroll taxes in the QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Setup Wizard. By the end, you'll have your federal and state payroll tax details in place so QuickBooks can calculate, withhold, and help you file correctly. Start by signing into QuickBooks and opening your company file with admin access. Having the right permissions ensures you can change payroll settings without interruptions. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu, look for the gear or the payroll settings area in your product, and open Payroll Settings. This is your control center for payroll configuration. Inside Payroll Settings, locate the Taxes and Forms section and choose Edit. This is where you'll enter and confirm the details that drive your payroll tax calculations and filing schedules. Begin with your federal information. You'll be prompted for your employer identification number. Enter it exactly as issued by the IRS and make sure your legal business name and address in QuickBooks match your IRS records. Using the correct EIN is crucial. It ties all deposits and filings to your business. Next, confirm your federal deposit frequency. This determines how often you send withheld payroll taxes to the IRS. Choose the schedule that matches your IRS assignment monthly, semi-weekly, or another option based on your deposit history or your most recent IRS notice. Picking the correct frequency helps you avoid missed deadlines and potential penalties. You'll then need your state tax account details. Have your state withholding account number and your state unemployment account number ready. Many states also require your current unemployment tax rate and effective date assigned by the state each year. If you're unsure, check your state revenue and unemployment agency portals for your official numbers and rates so the calculations in QuickBooks are accurate from the start. When everything is entered and reviewed, click Save. This locks in your federal and state data so payroll can use it for upcoming pay runs and filings. To wrap up, go to Payroll, then Overview. Look for any action needed items. QuickBooks may ask you to sign authorization forms so it can act as your third-party administrator for e-file and e-pay services. Complete those digital signatures and acknowledgments right away. Some authorizations take time to process, so clearing these tasks now ensures you're ready before your first payroll. That's it. Your payroll tax setup is now in place. Keep your EIN, state account numbers, and unemployment rate handy for future updates. And if something changes, like a new rate or deposit schedule, return to payroll settings to keep everything current.